Good morning, good afternoon or good evening, grade 2. This week's our little foray into track and field is going to look at two of the different throwing techniques. We're going to be looking in lesson 1 at a pulling throw, and in lesson 2 we'll be looking at a pushing throw. The pulling throw is one that we tend to use for javelin, for a ball throw, a small ball throw. And the pushing throw tends to be with heavy objects. We need to use a pushing action to get those heavy objects moving. Starting with a small ball throw. Now some of you, I'm pretty sure, might not have a small ball close to hand. But I'm fairly confident most of you, or all of you, will have a pair of socks. Who'd have thought we could use that for a small ball throw? So, one sock, two socks. Squeeze them together, fold them into each other, try and make it twist it, and pull it back round, and there we have our softball. We can do some juggling later if you want. Now, if you've got space outside, you could go outside and do your throwing. But if you're stuck inside just now, you can do what I've done. I've found a nice big clear wall with no paintings, no ornaments, no antiques, nothing that I can damage near the wall. Because I'm going to throw my sock ball into the wall. So if you're inside and you can't get outside, find a wall, a nice big clear one, and you can do your pulling throw into the wall. Track and field, there are 3 different categories of throw. One is a pulling throw, like the javelin, where our arm starts straight and it pulls to bend, and then we throw. Another one is a pushing throw, where our arm starts bent and goes straight to make the throw, like the shot put. And the third type is a flinging throw, where the arm stays straight throughout, like the discus or the hammer. Today, I'm going to use my trusty softball. I didn't bring my pens today to mark things, so I've got these 2 nice shells that I found. Here's one of my shells, put it in the ground here, and that's where I'm going to throw from. Now the overarm throw, or the pulling throw, like the javelin, you can do with the softball or a tennis ball if you have one. And what it looks like is a little bit like a normal overhand throw. And you'll be able to tell mums and dads what we talk about when we do an overarm throw. We do T, L, step and throw. And the javelin is very like that. So we start like this, but because the javelin we're trying to send it a long way, we lean our T. So leaning T, L, step and throw. Another throw, let's see if I can throw it further than that last one. So remember it's T, lean our T, L, turn and throw. And that's gone a little bit further than the last one. All of the throws we do in athletics, we hold the ball in our dominant hand. That's the hand that we write our name with. And we step forward with our opposite foot. Now I'm right-handed, so you'll have noticed in the throws I've shown you that I've been using my right hand, but it's my left foot that steps forward. Every throw requires 4 things to make the ball or the object go far. Transfer of weight, that's moving your weight from your back foot to your front foot. Angle of release is the angle that you let it go at, and you're aiming for about 45 degrees from the ground. Arm speed makes a difference to the distance. And the last one of the most important ones, is rotation. And you'll see in all the throws, my body will rotate to help the ball, or the softball, travel further. So, the pushing throw. When we throw something heavy, like the heavy metal ball at the Olympics called the shot put, we use a pushing action. To practice our pushing action, we're going to use both of our arms and a heavy ball. Now, some of you will be lucky enough to be somewhere where you've got a basketball or a soccer ball and you can use that. But for me, stuck in an apartment, I'm going to use a cushion that I've found. And I'm going to find my trusty white wall to throw my cushion into. And it's that pushing action.
Cat, we can use the sock ball again. And that's a pushing throw, like the shot put. So we push the sock into our neck, just under our chin, and the throw has to come from there. So we point high into the sky and we make a Usain Bolt shape. When we're ready to throw, we turn a little bit and then we push to a straight arm, pushing the ball high into the air. So let's see the pushing throw one more time. Stick it under my chin, make a Usain Bolt shape, and then I'm going to turn a little bit and then push up into the sky. We use that with a heavy metal ball usually.
What a movie!